9 April. Now, SMT at both sides, leaning longs, but often the sides overall. Bullish daily power of 3. We'll see what sets up higher targets. Will build highs, lower will be equilibrium 1 hour caps. So daily power of 3 opens up. True day opens 2. Lower. It's really 9 April. Yeah. So it
Yeah.
forms SMT inside 1 hour gap. You probably don't know what daily power of 3 is, but I'll explain now. So each candle opens up. Let me draw.
No worries. I will learn it from fearing or.
Let me still show. So candle opens up, manipulates one side and just distributes other side. Or it just opens up, manipulates a little bit or no manipulation at all and just distributes. That's how each candle works, and just by that can frame daily power of G, daily profile and so on.
Yeah, PO3.
So if we go with that, daily candle at 6 p.m. opens up, lower, forming SMT. Later we go down to 50 minutes. We see our second stage SMT at 7 a.m. And what happened next is just price expands. We're waiting for 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. opens up, 9:30 opens up. Actually, I don't remember this particular day, so I will back this too. But it was really just a simple day. Why I can't type? So we have cracking correlation here. After 9:30. Price dumps, fails to hold that, forms another SMT.
What do you trade? Which do you trade, ES or NQ?
The one is strongest. In this case, it's yes, because it's the one that made single failure by failing to subsist low. UNQ mitigates the slow. And what we see next is another cracking correlation. You will probably learn this in future, but just theory. I really don't remember this day, I'm just right now backtesting it. I guess it expands. Just yeah. What question now do you have? I'm just really easy day to navigate. Do you guys have any question? Yes, most people chat NQ, but let me show you one example what happens when you choose weakest asset. I didn't. It's happened to me on live while I'm streaming. So let me show it. Yes, that. NQ was weakest asset here. I traded NQ. I forced it and it's a result. Same trade on yes, didn't subsist low. I just got full TP. That's why you should choose strongest asset. As you can see, yes was strongest asset and it's distributed higher than NQ at this point. Just mitigates this high. So it's this really important thing. I had some shoot screen. So what else questions? Okay. What you're gonna show? I mean, just collect data on that. It just kind of be very beneficial, let's say. Yes, I can see your screen. Hmm. I can see it, but I can't hear you, by the way, if you talk. Um,
Can you see my screen?
yes, I can.
Okay, I prepared these three questions. First of all, here it was an SIBI on the 5 minute chart.
Yes,
500 gap, see price respecting it.
yes.
But then it broke off. No, no, this here it was on a 5 minute SIBI.
Let me show your issue. Like, you're basically drawing a gap. For example, we have gap here. Can you see my screen? Can you see my
Yes,
screen? Yes.
yes, yes.
So, for example, there is gap. It's retraced, mitigated, and you're just driving for using it in future. But if, for example, you're gonna use this like this, there was a gap, press retrace to it, and just expands from that. You're looking for continuation entry here, just higher. That for you're not gonna draw this for tomorrow or for next week, so you can use it again. That's your first issue.
Oh, yeah,
It's a short-term thing, not just week or days.
yeah, yeah,
You closed your stream. Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What
So
else?
I make this a small one.
Yes. I mean, actually, ICT uses this just this way. I just drafts this for hours later, but I don't use it this way. And quarter theory traders don't use this way too.
Yeah. Okay, I will remove it and then.
Also, you're too focused on lower time frame. Like, do you have buys for this day on 1 hour, 4 hour?
Yeah, this was my second question. In the low time frame, in the high time frame, I can't see anything really.
Go to
Explain
hourly chart.
hourly.
Did you saw my the trade from previous day, yesterday?
Yeah,
Okay, let me recap that so you can understand it better. I will not just go in depth to how I trade that, but you will still understand ICE device. Now there is
yeah.
quarter theory things. Let me just delete some.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen? Yes, you can.
Yes, yes,
So open 1 hour hourly chart. Just go with me. Hourly
hourly chart.
chart. Zoom a bit so you can see. Switch to NQ, not MNQ. We use NQ as price action chart, MNQ for executions.
Oh,
Now zoom a little
okay.
bit. Why are charts different?
Because it's a replay, it's not current.
Oh, just exit replay. We will recap previous day, yesterday. Ah, well.
Okay.
So, let me first, now replay with me. Just go here, this candle, 8 a.m. I think this lesson really will be like educational. 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay.
Yeah, backtest to that. Replay mode. With replay mode,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes. So now check my pre-market notes. Go to Discord. I can show it too, but I want you to check it so you can just
yeah,
memorize it better.
yeah.
So you're not reading my pre-market notes. Your main issue. Read them. Now go for previous day. 24. 24. Yes, yes. It was just 6 minutes before market open, so I was in rush. Keep it short, but yes, buys is slower before higher. Now I'll explain why was that.
Yeah,
Do you
quite
have
early
any
still.
questions? No quarterly theories, just some sort of ICT. Do you have any questions for that, boys?
I have questions about bias. Like, if I could highlight like liquidity, but I don't know what to do with it.
First of all, highlight the 3-day open. Yes,
Okay.
3-day open, 12 a.m. Just look at my chart.
Okay.
This one is 3-day open. So you can see it, right? Light, it will be recorded. I will show it in just next 10 minutes so you can check it out in YouTube.
Oh, that's good.
So first of all, highlight 3-day open. Do it every day, just not from yesterday. Usually when you start today, mark 3-day open, 6 p.m. open, uh, time POIs, for example, Nadok, Navok. What's that? Yes, today. It's 12 a.m., right?
Yeah, yeah. To the open, yes.
Yes, great, but wait. You're doing it for wrong day. 24. Do it for 24. We're recapping yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. But
Yes. Now Mark's in Nadok.
Mark, what?
Nadok, new day, opening cap, this one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
These are just draw on liquidities that you're gonna use.
Yeah.
You can draw just a simple box like this. Anyways, so focus on my charts. I will show all assets.
It's loading.
Okay, waiting.
What's it?
Crack in correlation. Do you know what SMP
Oh,
is?
yeah, I know.
So just think of SMT, but not highs and lows, but gaps. That's new day opening gap, right?
Yeah.
1 minute. This charts. So actually, it's kind of confusing, but just try that. It's not visible on yeah. Can you see my charts?
Yes, yes.
So we have new deck. Wait, chart logs. Yes, so it's before market open. Market hasn't opened yet. There is new day opening gap where yes mitigated, NQ fails to do so. Dow just not mitigated but just flipped it. Our bias is long because of S&P at the lows. Can you see the SMTs? It was between this candle and this candle. I can't hear you by the way if you're talking.
Yeah, watching.
Okay, it was just quarter theory SMT. You will learn it later if you just want to learn quarter theory. Don't focus on that. But just know that we had SMT at the lows, supporting price higher, and overall narrative was bullish. There was 1 hour gap, as you can see.
Yeah,
Let me remove them just so it can be clean. So we have 1 hour gap. It's not formed on Dow. It's some sort of cracking correlation too, where gaps forms on correlated assets and other fails to do so. It's just called some sort of gap special, let's say, just cartel theory again. So our bias is just going lower before higher. Why? Because market open is just not gonna pump higher and higher. Can happen, but more times than not, it's just gonna mitigate this gap before going higher. That's why my bias first was bearish, later bullish.
yeah, that's it.
No, that's not it. So actually, that's it for bias. Really, we're keeping it simple. SMT has the lows, supporting price higher. 1 hour gap here, we're looking for lower this gap and higher. Let me show pre-market notes again. Bias for today will be lower before higher. So we're opening charts. Now what do you see? Sequential cut.
Uh, uh, it went up, went lower, then up.
Wait a minute. So what do you see?
It went lower, touched the fair value gap, then went up.
Fixed side, right? Now what do you
Yeah.
want inside of this gap just to go higher? What can we enter off of?
Uh,
SMTs.
SMTs, right?
Yes, I use SMTs for entries, and now I will mark and you tell me where is SMTs. Do you see any SMT?
Yeah, yeah.
Where?
Because the SMT is because ES has a low to high than the NQ.
Let me show. It's
NQ
yes,
is steeper. Yeah,
it's SP, fails to mitigate the slow, right?
yeah,
Also, it's slow inside of the dock. And it's 1 hour gap, this red box. Let me write 1 hour gap. Everything is clear for now, right? You don't have any
yeah,
questions. Okay, now we're inside of 1 hour gap and we're looking for some sort of SMTs to long. Now we have SMTs. Do we have SMTs?
yeah. I have SMTs here. What's this
NQ,
YM1?
yes. NQ and ES first to mitigate the slow. Will Delve succeeds to do so. So we have 50-minute SMT. We have 1 hour SMT at the lows. Our bias was lower to this gap before higher. Now we're looking for entries and I'm looking for entries on 1 minute. Everything is clear.
Yep.
So tell me what you see.
So there's an SMT here. Uh, price went to the fair value gap and they went up. The buy side imbalance
Yes.
and efficiency.
Wow.
And,
So
uh,
I'm entering off of from CSDs. CSD here is this high. Do you know what CSD is?
I couldn't find it on ICT's YouTube channel.
Just basically, for example, it's low. It's like series of
It is
Abyss
in,
candle.
yeah, in Fearing's course.
Most people just use that for enterings. So there is no CSD for now, just fix this body. Focus on me, focus on me. You can,
Okay.
I'll teach it later too. So it fixes, just know that for CSD to complete, we have to close body above this, and it just fails to do so. It fixes it. We're still waiting. There is, now I want to see if there was empty. Not yet. Price action right now is choppy. There is nothing to really plus that you can enter off of. Wait, actually, did I miss this entry of mine? I forgot where I entered. 1 minute, I can't remember. I entered here? No, I don't remember. I think it should. Yes, yes, right now. So, you're watching me, right?
Yep.
First of all, let me show my execution. It was on yes. I took one break even before. With Skywalker, we was on live trading. So I entered on 10:30, 1 minute CSD, but there was 15 seconds CSD, which you'll learn how to use it in future. Don't focus on that. So
Okay. Once you're done, do you know how to use this indicator?
which one? That?
Basically,
It's really
this
simple. Let me show it.
like how do you? Is it useful or no? Like do I benefit
Actually,
from?
it is not. It's just visible. It's just visual of power of trees. Like, let me show it.
Oh,
For example, right now we're trading 4-hour power of tree, right? It's 10 a.m. opening.
yeah,
We're looking for
yeah,
4-hour power of tree. Let me mark it. It's here. This candle's high is 10 a.m. or 4-hour power of tree. So 10 a.m. opens up higher. There is no significant manipulation above, and our bias is longs. So we're looking manipulation below 10 a.m. Everything's clear.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now we got. Let me actually visualize, teach how this indicator works. Like, now you can see clear. It
Yeah.
just shows the openings. It's 4-hour candle, and it's 10 a.m. 4-hour power of 3. So 10 a.m. opens up higher, nothing significant. Lower. Do we have SMT here? Just tell me. On this low. Do we have?
Yeah, yeah, I could hear.
Where? Where's SMT?
SMT?
Yes.
It's the lower one, lower side.
Yes, look at Dow.
Yeah,
You can see
yeah,
it didn't mitigate slow, right?
yep. Yeah, it
This
goes up.
asset didn't mitigate slow.
Yep.
Will yes did NQ and yes did, right? What's that? What is that?
The NQ's SNT is negative slope, while the YM's
It's
is
just
positive
basically
slope.
SMT, let's say, right?
Yeah,
So what we're
yeah.
looking right now
Because
for,
manipulation.
yes, right? What we're looking for right now for entries, CSD, right?
Yeah,
Do you have a CSD right now? We do not, because for CSD we have to close above this high, correct?
yep.
Now let me mark it on all assets. Let me remove this lens, it's confusing, and this indicator. So right now there's nothing that we can enter off of. Price expands, boom. What we have now? Look at yes on left.
Went up.
CIZ, right?
Bullet.
Closed above this.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
There was 1 minute cracking correlation, which validated me to enter a little bit early from 15 seconds CSD, but it's a little bit advanced, so I will teach how to enter like classic 1 minute. So it happens. We have SMT at lows. We have SMT at previous day low. Our bias was lower to this gap and higher. Everything is clear.
Yep.
It's really simple, right? Really simple. We have 1 minute CISD right now. Let's say you're entering here. Where your target will be.
The team stops.
You see this liquidity, right? It's all-time high, by the way. And clear.
Yep. But what if price went back to the 1 hour very, very good?
My question is why it should. For example,
Because,
it retraced one time, right?
yep,
Retraced later higher, lower, forming SMT. It's just signature in price that markets doesn't want to retrace again. Because if it retraces again, it's just gonna do this. I mean, you're
oh,
not gonna anticipate that.
yeah, yeah,
This SMT is just not random, it's sequential SMT. Between quarterlies, you will learn it in on Q2 lessons. So we have
yeah,
3-stage SMT, one in previous day low, one in 50 minutes, one at 1 minute. It's 4 hour clean 4 hour power of 3, where price opens up, accumulates higher, lower, forms SMT, force 1 minute CSD. You're targeting all time high. You're gonna partial here. That's what I did. Can you see my screen?
yeah, yeah,
I wanted to partial here. I partial at this high because price was really choppy. As you can see, my main
yeah.
TP was here. So if we play it out, and
Damn.
I went break even like here.
Yeah,
When
yeah.
price reaches that, I just how can I say what's it called, like scout my stop
Liquidity?
loss to break even.
Oh, yeah, yep, yep.
If
Break
it
even.
just goes lower, so it's break even, not stop loss.
Yep, yep.
Kinda no reason to just price to this. If it does, I'm just exit. So break even here, partial here, 50% of money off, main TP here. So let's see what happens. And TP.
So nice.
I
So
took
clean.
it on like stream. Who was there? I think Kurs was here and the other guy.
Skywalker, I think. I think I was.
Yeah, I don't remember yesterday. Like yes, that.
Yeah. So nice.
Really simple, right? Nothing complicated. Just SMTs, power of threes, and 1 minute CSD, and time of day, which was 4 hour power of 3 and market open.
Okay, how long would it take me to reach to you to this point?
I just collected data for too long. It's been more than a year, and I spent 10 hours in a day to just learn all of that. All you have to do, because you're lucky right now, you have like right place to learn. I've learned support resistance for 6 months. I mean,
Oh,
you discovered
yeah.
ICTs, even nice thing. Just focus on
You know,
collecting data.
yeah. I
How
started trading when I was 12. I was 12 years
yeah,
old.
tell.
I
How
was
long you
also
trading?
supposed.
How long it's been?
I I logged in on ICT on 2026, like January, so
All you have
four
to do is
months ago.
just collect like data and, for example, look. Do you analyze my top 10 reviews?
Yeah,
For example,
here.
look each of them. I mean, I'm not gatekeeping here right now. It's really
Yeah.
all of that. Just yes, I gatekeep quarterly theory, but price wise, it's just what price does. I mean, nothing really complicating. Daily power of
Yeah.
trees,
Yeah.
SMTs, just same pattern. Look, we have two-stage SMT. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
We have two-stage
I can.
SMT, 1 minute CISD forms, and that's it. Really simple. You just have to collect data and yes, collect
Yeah. So
data.
it's
Really
so
not complicated.
basically your strategy is uh, strategy is basically SMT plus CISD plus
Like, let me
uh,
tell you.
uh,
Power of 3 is for power of 3 SMT bias X execution. What they call that? Time-based POI or time-based POI, let's say. Drive on liquidity. Reversal points that price can reverse from. For example, 1 hour gap for me was the point that price can reverse from. And that's really it. Just CISD for entry technique. That's really
okay.
it.
What is POL? PO time-based POL.
It's like, look at my screen. It's the
Yeah.
hawks. The hawks. Through
Oh,
openings, through day open, through micro session open, through New York session open and stuff. The hawk is new day opening gap, new week opening
yeah, I
gap.
know.
I mean, it's not
Yeah.
actually what my model is. It's just, if we simplify it on ICT, it looks like this. But overall, it's this. And I use
Yep,
CISD and time-based POI to this.
yep,
To trade like me, you have to learn Q2 first. You have to master power of 3 first, later learn Q2 and how to use it.
yep. I, I
Right
am
now, focus
more
on
focused.
power of 3. Now, let me show my gold entry to you. Let's this lesson be a bit long.
You could do
Actually,
prop firm trading on gold.
yes, you can.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Today or tomorrow, I will upload advanced premium discount lesson. I will show this example here too, but just let me share it with you. Well, where I took my trade, but I will not go in real in depth that it can confuse you.
Yeah,
It's essential. It was 3 a.m. You see?
yeah, yeah.
Do you see what 2 a.m. is? What's that? 2 a.m.
Yep.
What is that?
It's a New York PM session.
No, it's 4-hour power here, right? 2 a.m.,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
6 a.m.,
yeah.
10 a.m., 2 p.m., and so on. It's just next 4-hour opening. Now let's me backtest. By the way, I give a signal here to Adam, but he missed just engine. Anyways, let me show it. So price is here, right?
Yep.
And let me show if I can't find this.
No, it's okay. Keep the
1 minute. Mm-hmm. 1 more minute. If I can find that. So can you hear me?
yeah. Uh,
So that's literally a signal. Let me show. Can you see my screen?
yep.
Now press here, right? You can see
Yeah,
2 a.m. opening. It's same condition.
yeah.
Just let me. Okay, not this. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
I'm just checking it each time, so no issue. So it's 2 a.m. opening. What we want to have above power of trees? Manipulation or structure. Price manipulates lower after 2 a.m. opens up. There was previous day low SMT. There was another SMTs as lows, right? Supports price for higher. Correct?
yeah,
Now,
yeah.
what our bias is in this situation? Here,
I wouldn't know, but it's bullish.
it's bullish, right?
Yeah,
Why?
because I saw it before.
I can't hear you. Can you
Because
repeat?
I saw it before you returned back.
No, just look at that. For example, let me show it like this.
Yeah,
It was Outrust, which I don't remember which one was that. But remember that there was. Trust my word. Actually, I can't wait. Find the chart if I can. 1 minute. No, it's gonna take long, I guess. Oh, yes, I found it. So there was cracking correlation, SMTs. It's 5 minute one, but we also had previous day low SMT. Can you see it?
yep,
So there was SMT at the lows, which confirms price higher, and we have unmitigated 2 a.m. power of 3 at the highs. Our bias is bullish, and we're looking for entries. There was 5 minute SMT, which quarterly cycle SMT. Price trades into this gap. It's some sort of model and just expands from here.
yeah.
By
Oh,
the way, we're
interesting.
not back testing, right? It's what I took yesterday,
Yeah,
not theory. You see,
yep.
that's that's really all for power of trees, I think. Well, there's it's more on depth for monthly power of three, yearly power of three, and weekly power of three. I will cover them on public lessons, but overall daily
Okay,
profile wise, it's just that easy. Pre-style
okay.
SMT and execution.
Just could you tell me how do I like practice PO3? How do I understand it?
How can you practice daily power of threes?
Yeah,
Well, first can be, for example, go to NQ, go on our
okay,
chart, go back. Actually, don't go to this year, it just really was too news driven. I will assume going previous year,
okay.
and just analyze how power of three works. For example, let me do one for you. First of all, I will assume the start from monthly. For example, we have April 1, right?
Yeah,
April opening. What is that? It's monthly power of 3. Let me just do that. It's monthly power of 3. We're looking at daily chart for monthly power of 3s. April power of 3. So we're gonna back, for example, it's opened, lower. What's that? Open, lower, manipulation, higher. Correct?
yeah.
Open, lower. There was SMT between assets. It was special type of SMT, which we can confirm manipulation phase of a power of 3. And yes, we confirm manipulation or distribution phase of power of 3 with SMT. Only SMT. Okay? No, don't
Okay.
overcomplicate it. No gap, no this, just SMTs. There was SMT, so we confirm at this leg as manipulation. Now we'll be looking for higher.
Roosh.
That's really it. Also, January opening, yearly power of 3. Opens up, accumulation, correct.
Yeah, it's manipulation.
Manipulation and
And
distribution. Easy, right?
okay, sometimes it's price only goes accumulation then distribution without any manipulation.
Yeah, sometimes it happens, but don't expect that to happen on yearly power of chess. It's just more times than not it will accumulate first.
Oh,
But for
okay, okay.
example, daily power of 3 can open and just expand higher. For example, there is no manipulation, no structure, which is devil's mark power of 3. I will explain next lessons on YouTube, I guess. And just
All right. Yeah.
we have SMT here. Our doll is opening and price expands to that.
Yep.
So do you have any questions?
Nope.
So we
Thanks,
can
bro.
end it here, I guess.
Yep.
Like no questions at
Uh,
all.
for now,
So I
for
explained it
this
all, I
week,
guess.
I will practice a lot. Like this week, I will study a lot, and then next week, I will return to you with a lot of questions.
Yes, exactly.
Yep. Thanks a lot.
Okay, see you later. Ask me any
Yep.
questions if you got some later.
Thanks, man. I love you so much. Thank you a
Thank you. Bye
lot.
bye.
Bye bye.